Hey guys, it's Ivy and you're seeing the Dollar General ad preview online, courtesy of ladysavings.com. She has an internet website where she puts savings on, so go over there if you want to see it. But this ad preview, Lady Savings sent this to me, and it is for $2.9 to $2.15, okay? Now, we're going to go over this ad, and already, guys, guess what I see? I see a early activation on the Doritos, buy two, get two free. That's a great deal. Now, the Lays are back 2 for $6. If you want to complete this deal, the Lays, they're on sale 2, buy two, get two. So that will be an awesome deal. Now, the Pepsi Mountain Dew is 3 for $15. Hopefully, if they give us a coupon, that will make out to be a great deal. Also, guys, let's go down. And when we do, we go down to the Gain. They are $15.95 with a $3 Dollar General coupon. Now, be looking out for Dollar General. A manufacturer coupon was given to us also, guys. I never get those manufacturers. I think it's the region I live in because my sister lives in Texas. She does get them every blue moon. Okay, and here is the Tide right here, $15.95, $3 Dollar General coupon. Now, that also is another one that it might be another coupon coming out on Sunday, so pay attention. Now, this right here, I'm kind of leery because it's $10.95. It's a $2 Dollar General coupon. But guys, they just had these 2 for $10. So watch how you get those deals, okay? Now, when we get down here, all of this is the sweet savings on the Valentine. You guys know how I feel about that. I kind of don't get my kids Valentine's, but I do have a Valentine's Day baby. So we will be celebrating his birthday. But we also have these. We have the Dollar General on the candy right here. That's a glitch and a freebie in there, okay? So pay attention to that. If you buy 3 and buy 2, you get 1 free. Plus, they're going to give you that spend 9, save $3. So they'll end up being $1 each when they should actually be 3 for $6. Now, do you understand? That's how the glitch come in, okay? Now, pay attention to also the gift cards, the greeting cards. Those are $1. Hopefully, they'll give us that coupon back, and we can go ahead on and get them for 50 cents each. Now, if we go down here on their budget saver, let's go up to their budget saver. Budget Scratcher 3-day sale is from the 13th through the 15th. So Thursday through Saturday, they're going to have Pepsi and Mountain Dew for $3.95. The Takis are going to be 2 for $6. The Oreo cookies are going to be $3.25. The Monsters are 2 for $5. Usually those glitch guys, but I don't buy them in my house. My boy's already hyped up enough. The Airwick, it's usually $12. It's going to be on sale for $9. And then you have the ladies' Valentine's Day jogger sweaters for $5. Now, they do have a save instant on the Hanes. Spend $12, save $3. Now, when would I do this deal? I would probably do that deal on 5 off 25, but I have to pair it with something so I can get that $3, cover that $3 instant savings from Dollar General. And then on down, they will have the popcorn. What is that? That's the Valentine's Day plushes. They're usually $10. They're on sale for $5. Hey guys, stay to the end because I got some coupons I want to go over from you, okay? And then I'm going to drop the link to who I get my coupons from in the description box. Okay, next, then we have the Life cereal, 2 for $6. Hopefully we have a coupon. And the Cinnamon Toast Crunch and the Reese's General Meals, they have them 3 for $9 because those are the larger sizes, guys. So if we have a coupon, those will work out awesome. Now you have the 2 for $11. Now, next we have this new coffee. The Seattle's Best Coffee is 2 for $11. It's okay if you need it. Then you could go straight down, guys, to more Valentine's Day candy. It is getting rough with the candy. Now, guys, this is where I want you to pay attention at an early activation, especially if you need it, which I do. See those Oscar Mayer hot dogs, 2 for $5? Those will go on sale early activation, okay? So those will be on sale at early activation. The Welch's juice is $3. The hot dogs are $1. Buns are $1.50, so they're giving you the buns and the juice together. Then you have 3 for $6 on the Hormel. You also have the bacon, $4. I never eat that. The 2 for $6 Velveeta. $1.25 Campbell's. 2 for $9 on the Twix. 2 for $6 for the Betty Crocker cookies and fudge. Make sure you scan that because it might scan for a cheaper one with the dollar deals, okay? Okay, let's get to the next page. And it is going to be on their medicines, guys. Watch for the Mucinex. The Mucinex already has 2 good coupons. Make sure you pay attention to those coupons and don't make a mistake and get them for the higher price, okay? They do have the Huggies Pampers for 2 for $18 and the pull-offs 2 for $17. I haven't saw a good diaper deal, guys, unless you went to Family Dollar. Good deal on the Pampers, okay? Then you have the $2 off of a $3.35 Crest, which is a good filler. We're going to come down to save when you sign up. So let's get to this one right here. The Suavitel. The Suavitel is going to give us, we're going to be looking at the boxes. See that? We get 95 cents off that small Suavitel. That's $1.95. So you're going to pay 95 cents. I'm going to tell you something, guys. Get there early so you could grab that because that probably won't be there long, okay? Now, we do have 4 for $13 on the Gang or Downy beads, making them $3.25, guys. Okay, they also gave us 75 cents on Palmolive they could hold off. That $2.30 on the twin pack of Febreze, that's awesome. $6 back on that Airwick Mist, that's a good one also. Glade gave us earn cash backs, okay? So if we could pair that with a coupon, that would be great. But make sure you look at the price of those cash backs because sometimes it's a money maker. Again, more Valentine's Day goodies. For your little ones, that's how I can say that. I got that bigger one. He don't want any. Okay, guys, get excited again on this page because hopefully these coupons is going to come back to us. But I want to tell you what you should and should not touch. See where you see the Dr. Pepper, 7-Up, and the ginger ale, Canada Dry. Do not touch that. That's 2 for $10. I would hold off. We usually get it way cheaper than that. Now, the General Mills cereal, if they're going to give you a coupon for it, 3 for $8, then by all means, grab that. But if not, I will leave it alone. That is the bigger sizes, though. Now, you do see where the Folgers right here is $5.95. They should give us a coupon for that. I think we have a $1 coupon, okay? Then the Red Bull, 3 for $8. If you want to be hyped up, that's great. That'll be a great deal. 2 for $2.50 for the A&W, $1.25 each. Now, when we come down here, we got BOGOs again and freebies, and I love those deals. Now, they're going to give us a $1 coupon off on the Cottonelle. Make sure you pick the smaller size. They gave us back the Febreze double plug freebie again. Then they gave us the Mr. Clean as a BOGO again. Hopefully, that's not the same coupon. Hopefully, they gave us another coupon. If they did not, then, guys, that's still a great deal. The Persil, they gave us a $2 off coupon off the $5 one and the $10.95 one. Then we had the True Living for $5.50, and those are their tissues. If they give us coupons off, that's even a better deal. Now, when we go down further, the Sky is spend 20, save $4, but they do have those dollar coupons floating around. Then pay attention to the Kingsford, guys, because it did glitch this week, okay? Getting some low price charcoal chips. Now let's go. Guys, I want to go to this budget scratcher because it is awesome. First of all, you have the Dunkin' coffees 2 for $5. Then you have the instant Lipton teas 2 for $4. If you got that coupon, you might could buy 4 of them and get a deal on it. Then they have the buy one Kellogg's Rice Krispie, get one free. My boys love them. Look what's got me so happy. The totes, they are BOGO, and at, what do they start at? They're going to start at $9 to $9.50. That is an awesome deal, guys. You know I will be in store doing that deal, and you'll see it. Now, the brownie, if they're going to leave that at 2 for $9, then buy one, get one 50% off, that would be awesome. If not, maybe they'll give us that $2 coupon, okay? Then they gave us $4 off on the True Living plates for each one of those deals, guys. Now, I just went over a instant deal for you guys on here, but pay attention because hopefully we'll get us some instant glitches out of these also. All right, thanks guys for tuning in. Make sure you hit like, subscribe, share Ivy's coupon cap, and I hope you guys enjoyed the online ad preview, guys. When I can find it paper, we'll go back to paper. If not, let's do it online. And I want to again, thanks to ladysavings.com for providing me with this ad preview. Bye. Okay, guys, I'm glad you stayed and watched this coupon preview because I got these from Terry Holt from Facebook, TerriHolt. She's on Facebook. Now, she does not sell coupons. She sends you the overflow of coupons that she have, and you pay for mailing. Let's get that together. So here, look at this. This Bertolli pasta is $1 at Walmart right now. They are $2.49 or something like that. Anyway, you can get them for under $1.50. So this is a good deal. Then look, guys, we have the buy one get one free Dove. Buy one women's want back, get a men's. Walgreens has a deal going on starting on Sunday where this is going to be awesome. Then back to this deal right here, the Febreze warmer. You can use this at any store you want to, guys, any store. Then you have the buy one get one free Axe body spray or deodorant. So that's a great deal. Also try that at Walgreens. And then we have the buy one jug of Dawn, get one small easy squeeze. Okay. And look, guys, what we got, buy one Swiffer starter kit and get a Swiffer refill for free. Now, Family Dollar had the Swiffer starter kits. They had a $4 off coupon. So if you could get that $4 off coupon plus this, that'll be an awesome deal, guys. If they'll let you do, because these are manufactured coupons. Now, if it's Family Dollar's coupon, that's fine. If not, you buy one and you get that for free, all right? But all of these you could try at any store you want to, guys. If you do Dollar General's 5 off 25, then that's the store I will pretty much go to and use, all right? Thanks, guys. Bye.